Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. This is the all-wheel drive version, and I'm going to show you how to remove this skid plate. It's going to be super easy. I can do it, you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so now that we're underneath the vehicle, what we're going to do is we're going to try to get this out of here so we can get to the radiator that's located right here. It'll be very easy. We're going to use a 14 millimeter. We're going to take out this bolt. There's one hiding up in here. And then the same thing for the other side of the vehicle. All 14s. Got my air gun, 14 millimeter. You can use a ratchet if you want. Here's what my bolts look like. There's two long ones, and then the other four look the same. The two long ones were, of course, the two that were hiding. So we'll set this stuff aside. We can move along to the next step. Okay, so I grabbed a rubber mallet just in case I need it, because what we need to do, these arms right here, they kind of have like almost like this, that goes right up here, okay? So what we need to do is get this to go forward, and then come undone, and then come out. So I'm just gonna use my rubber mallet. Let's give it a couple bonks. Try to lift up. Okay. Just getting it to move is the hard part here because the way that these hooks are. There it is. Okay. Almost. Come on, baby. There we are. We got this out of here. Let's move ahead to the next step. Just putting a little bit of copper never sees on there. It's going to help it come off down the line. So on the skid plate, you've got these little pitons that come down into right in between here. And so this part right here sits up on the subframe area, right up here. So that piton's going to come up and then sit down into its groove right up along the top up there. So if you're struggling, you're getting it over, but it's just not doing its thing, it's because that thing needs to slide down in right there. All right, so let's get this up here. I'm gonna go at an angle. I'm gonna try to do one side at a time. Go under there, up over that. Bring this around, up this way. Give that a little push. Bonk. There we are. Those little pitons came right down into the subframe like what we wanted them to do. All of our bolt holes are lined up. Let's grab some bolts and get it in. All right, so we've got our bolts. We've got 4 of these, 2 of these. These 2 are the same. They're the same as those 2 over there. Let's get those started in. Just gonna start all these in. We're not gonna tighten anything down until they're all started. I'm gonna use a 14 with my extension, just so I can get up in here. Now that they're all started, we'll go ahead and tighten them down. All right, all 6 are tight. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.